know, Nancy? How did you know?
I just saw it. I saw it sitting there, and I found it.
Skylar, find yours.
Cool. We'll find yours, Skylar.
Cool. I got pom-poms. Ooh, this one is a big pom-pom for Mama.
We'll look for yours.
Maybe.
And
Skylar,
it is.
look around over here.
And it's elf and stuff.
Look for yours.
Look for a big basket.
It's by the door.
Go.
Okay. Bring it right here.
Is that yours? Wow.
Mine has a cheerleader bunny.
Open it up. There's a big light right here. Stand in front of it right there. A little to your right. To your right.
Candy. Mommy, look.
Oh, cool.
Oh, that's cute.
Awesome.